Man, they're making it really hard to get the hoods open to change the oil on these cars now. Whoa!
Did you really just come in the bathroom with a whole ass drive shaft? Where did you get that? And why do you have it in the house?
Oh, mais que vois-je? Une plaquette. Oh, 2 plaquettes. Oh là là.
Unfortunately, I don't have any ice coffee at the moment.
Okay. What's even going on there?
They say the best way to check for like something wrong in your engine is cut the oil filter open. So we cut this one open. Whoa.
Hey Flash, where you at?
Down here. What's up?
I said it's more cutting oil. There we go.
She's spot on. Nothing wrong here. No, all good. All good.
I can see it.
Yep. Yep. Yeah, a little bit of wire. Custom made brackets. Whoop. What a darling. This journal's the same size. This one's the same size. This one's the same size. Not that one.